This fountain jet is made from a old ball pen refill and a syringe and an injection bottle. You take an old ball pen refill, remove its writing tip, which is usually made of brass. Now push a long needle in this tip and push out the rolling ball. You can see the rolling ball and the tip over here. Now the tip would have an orifice which will act like a wonderful jet. With a needle, make a hole in the rubber lid of an injection bottle. Push the refill in the lid. And place this lid in a glass bottle full of colored water. The tip of this refill is a very nice jet. Now take a sterilized needle and bend it and poke it in the rubber lid. Now once you push the plunger in, you'd be surprised that a fine spray like a fountain comes out from the jet of the refill. It's a fountain which continues for a very long time. You can also take a big syringe and attach it to a lid of a water bottle. This is the assembly. On one end you have the refill fountain and the other end a big syringe. Now once you push the plunger, you see a very tall jet coming out. It's like a fountain spray which continues for a very, very long time. If you pull the plunger inside, you can see bubbles coming inside the bottle. If you push the plunger, once again you can see the spray of the fountain in all its glory.